what's going on? What's going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Sam. Welcome to the Sam Fam. Go ahead and do me a favor before we even get into this video, and please hit the subscribe button down below and turn your post notification bell on too so you get notified when I upload. Duh, like why wouldn't you want that on? Anyways, as you guys can see from the title, today we are doing a tie-dye cookie recipe how-to tutorial. Yeah, I think that's it. I saw this on TikTok from the Montez twins. They did this with like pre-made cookie dough, but I was like, you know what? I'm feeling froggy, so I'm gonna leap and I'm gonna make the cookie dough myself. I am not a baker. I love to cook, but I haven't baked in years and it's just really not my forte. Honestly, there's a whole story about the last time I made sugar cookies and they actually were salt cookies, and it's just a long story. We're not even gonna get into that right now. So let's keep the intro short and hop right into what you'll need and all that good stuff. I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients. I'm gonna take you along for the whole ride and we're gonna taste them at the end and see if they're actually good. I did get this recipe off Pinterest, so I'll link it down below. And what else? Is there anything else? Shout out to you guys for, you know, being consistent with watching my videos. I've been noticing the views. I appreciate y'all. I'm being as consistent as I can be, and I appreciate you guys doing the same. So yeah, hope y'all are staying safe, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here are all the ingredients you're gonna need. Regular granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, pure vanilla, baking soda, baking powder, which I just have a little bit of. You'll need an egg, you'll need pure almond extract. This is an optional thing. You don't need to have this, but they said it's optional, so I got it. Food coloring, and then like, you know, sugar that you can sprinkle on top. And butter, did I already say that? I think so. And of course a little whisk. But yeah, so that's all the stuff we have there. Don't mind my crusty looking pan. We're gonna line it with parchment paper when we do make the cookies. So I'm gonna bring you guys back around so we can start going through the ingredients. Okay guys, so I have the instructions written down over here. The recipe that I'm following is from Pinterest, but it's not an actual tie-dye recipe. I'm like following the cookie recipe and then doing the little dyes on the side. So I'm gonna take a large mixing bowl to just start the dough off. So I'm gonna soften 1 cup of butter. I'm using regular Tillamook salted butter, extra creamy. Okay, so it calls for 2 sticks of butter, but I don't have 2 sticks, I only have 1.5 sticks, so I'm gonna have to use some of this butter, which is fine, I guess, but I need to soften it, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave really quick. Okay, so I have my softened butter. We're gonna put the butter in first. Now we need 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Here's 1 cup. And then I'm gonna get a 1/4 cup. Here's a 1/4 cup. Oh, I knew it. Oh, I knew it. Oh, I knew I was gonna make a mess. Gosh darn it. I just spilled, but it's fine. All right, and here's a 1/4 cup. So we have 1 1/4 cups of sugar in there. And I have sugar, look at the sugar right here. Just a little mountain of sugar, it's all good. Okay, and then we're gonna mix this together for about 1 minute. We're gonna whisk it until this is like cream. I hate when it gets stuck in the whisk. Okay, after about a minute, it should be pretty creamy. Now I'm gonna add in 1 egg. Okay, now we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. This is a half teaspoon measure, so I'm gonna put 4 of these in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now just a half a teaspoon of the almond extract. Geez, this was hard to open. Okay, well, just 1 of these. Now we're gonna stir this all together and mix it in. All right, now we're gonna add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. For the flour, we need 2.5 cups. So here's 1 cup, 2 cups, and then a half a cup. The baking powder, we're gonna only need a half a teaspoon. So we only need half a teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. Baking powder, and then this is a half a teaspoon of baking soda. All right, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we're gonna mix this all together. Oop. Be careful, because it looks like it wants to fly out of the bowl. It smells good at least. It's just hard to mix together. First, I'm gonna try mixing it with this spoon. Okay, now that the dough is all done, I'm gonna separate this into 3 bowls. Okay guys, so now that we have our dough all done, I'm gonna separate this into 3 bowls that I have here, so we can get started with the food coloring. It's really good. Okay, let me get the gel food coloring. I think I'm gonna do blue, green, and maybe orange. I might make an orange. I'm not too sure yet. What y'all thinking? What color should we do? Or should I do purple? Purple, blue, and green? Purple, blue, and green kind of sound nice. So I'm gonna put, how many drops does it say? There's a few drops, so, or small drops. So here's the first bowl. I'm gonna add the blue to. Okay, I literally just did like that much, and now I'm going to mush it together. I got most of it on my hands, so let's try a little bit more. There we go. Now we're talking. This is why you need to make sure your hands are clean, because you're really getting all in the dough. Lucky for me, probably gonna be the only one really eating these. So, my germs. You wanna make sure it's really mixed good so that when the cookies cook, they're not like, you know, not this color that you want them to be. Did that make any sense? Hopefully. Okay. I think the blue is pretty good, and it's like a good blue. This is like a good blue. Okay, I think I'm gonna do blue, orange, and pink. So now I'm gonna do the red and the yellow together in this next bowl that we have here. So I just put a little bit of the red and the yellow. I'm trying to think, maybe I should just do green for the next color. I want the colors to really stand out. So I'm trying to think of what the best combo is gonna be. Okay, the orange came out a little bit more peachy colored than orange, which is fine. I think that green is gonna be the best for color purposes, so it matches me. Let's do green. So I put that much green in there. Ooh, it looks pretty. Now that our dough's done, let me wash my hands really quick. Okay, now that our doughs are done, I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. And I'm gonna line the pan with parchment paper now while we're at it. All right, now for the fun part. I want to bring you guys down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Hold on. Sorry, my head's cut off. It's just the way it is. So now we're gonna take a little bit from each dough and put them together. So I'm just taking a pinch of each. See here, a pinch of each. And then you just put them together and roll it like you would the regular dough. And look, it's like tie-dyed. So now we're gonna place them on our baking sheet. I think you're supposed to do them at least 1 inch apart or 2 inches apart. So we're just gonna repeat this process until the baking sheet is complete. So like I mentioned previously, when I was little, like probably like 5 years old, I was baking cookies with my auntie Luana. Shout out to you if you're watching this. But I was baking cookies with her, and I was like doing my own thing because that's what we would do all the time. So she was used to me like, you know, doing my thing, whatever. Tell me why I made sugar cookies, but I accidentally mixed up the sugar and salt ratios and made salt cookies instead. How disgusting is that? I keep making these cookies so big because like I keep taking too much dough from each one. Now this is about to be a small ass cookie. Oh my God, my cookies are gonna be all different sizes. So that's good. For these to come out, they look so cute. Okay, so here's the sheet of cookies. They're all different sizes because I'm dumb. But we're gonna wait for the oven to finish preheating and then we'll throw them in. It takes about 10 to 11 minutes to cook them, so we'll set a timer. But I'll be back when the oven preheats. Okay, so the oven just went off. I'm about to put the cookies in. I'm actually gonna turn this light on so I can see them. I'm gonna put them on the bottom rack. I'm gonna do a timer for 10 minutes. Actually, let's do 11. Here's the cookies. I'm excited for when they come out. Okay guys, I'll come back once they're done. All right guys, the cookies are done. They look so good. Oh my God, I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna take them out the oven really quick. I love the way they turned out. They're so cute to me. Okay, I'm gonna let them cool for a little bit. And then, actually I'm gonna sprinkle them with sugar really quick right now. And then I'll be right back. Okay, that didn't work out as well as I planned, but it's fine. Okay guys, the cookies are done. Ta-da! I'm so excited. They look so good. Look at them. Bomb. All right, guys, so they're all done. Let's do a little final taste test. Here's one of them. They look so cute. I'm touching all of them because they're mine. And they're like came out perfect. Well, I haven't tasted them yet. Well, a little brown, but that's not bad. Sorry, I'm like showing you guys every one of them. Okay, let me taste this one. Oh, and I did sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top, as you see. This is gonna be a problem. They're so soft. I love soft cookies. They taste so good, guys. Look at the inside. So bomb. All right, y'all. Definitely try this recipe out. Let me know how it goes. Comment down below what else you guys want to see from me. And stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. They'll be all linked down below. And yeah, stay safe. Stay blessed. Eat some cookies. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Yeah. You right through my mind. It's like I'm